Welcome to the last session of week 1. In Unit 4, Download, Samples, Help and More, I will show you the different places to find information about SAP Lumira. Where do I find information about the product? We have official product tutorials. You can get your free discovery trial version. That's very important if you want to do exercises. We have SAP Notes. You can check the SAP Help, the product roadmap. We look at the product availability metrics. Then there are partner extensions that you can buy. We have samples and templates that are shipped with the product, and I prepared some additional links for you to find important information. So let's have a look at more detail. If you follow this link, this saplumira.com, learn, you will see that there are a lot of product tutorials for discovery mostly. You can check different topics. Some of the topics might not be covered with this course, so it's interesting for you to check if there are topics that help you to work with the product. Then, very important, for the second week, when we talk about the discovery client, you should get your free discovery trial version. The version is free only for 30 days. After that, it will require a license key. So it's important that you download it as late as possible so that you can work with it until the end of our course. You will follow this link, you maintain all your credentials here, and then you will be able to download your trial. Then we have SAP Notes. SAP Notes exist for all the products that SAP ships. And each of the products has a release note. The release note for Lumira 2.1 is the following, and you find a lot of important information about the product. This refers to all other product notes. Some of these product notes are notes that are about features that are now in the product or about restrictions that are in the product. So it will help you to understand what the product can do and what the product can't do. It as well contains information about the product download, so if you later ship or buy the product, then you can follow the software download center link, or if you need the license keys, then you can follow this link. The most important link, I would say, is that you check the SAP Help for SAP Lumira. So if you click on this link, it will always show the latest version of our SAP Help. There you find the What's New guide, you find the user guides for the designer, the discovery and the Lumira server, so the different product parts that we ship. You find as well an administration guide, so if you look at the different audiences, so the administrator might look for the administration guide, the end users will look for the end user guides. You find as well the link to the central node that we looked at before. And you find developing SDK, so if you want to create extensions for the product, extensions for visualizations or for data, then you might follow this link for developers, and we as well ship some sample SDKs. If you're interested how it's going forward with the product, you can follow the SAP Lumira product roadmap, and you see here this will always be the latest roadmap that is published. Interesting for the supported environments is the SAP Lumira product availability metrics. Each product of SAP has this product availability metrics, so you find here the supported operating systems, the BI platform support, that's necessary because we publish our documents to the BI platform. You have the browser support, the mobile device support. Our last session will as well be based on mobile. Then the supported SAP sources, like which BW system can you connect, which HANA system can you use, and which universe. Then we have supported freehand SQL databases, of course, as well the language support and the hardware requirements. And in the end, the maintenance strategy of the product. If you are interested in getting some extensions for the product, because the product might not cover everything that you need, you might have a look here at the partner extensions. If you follow here the App Center link or the download from the App Store, you will find the extensions that our partners or as well SAP created. And they will, of course, not be for free. The product itself comes with some samples and templates. The Discovery Client comes with 4 samples that you find on the home screen. So we have here these samples that you can just check out. It comes with some imported data, so you can just have a look at the features used there. Designer comes with 4 standard templates. You have here the basic analysis layout, the basic layout, planning layout, and the subscript layout that helps you to create easier your applications because it has already content included. We have as well here one ready to run generic analysis template. You can just run it, include your data, and will have a template or will have an application you can work with. And in the latest version, we as well added here 2 samples, a dashboard sample and a feature sample. And at least I added here some additional links where to find information like register for the SAP Lumira newsletter, where you always will be informed if anything new is coming up with Lumira. You can check Facebook because there's a community talking about Lumira. There's as well a hashtag Lumira 2.0 at Twitter. You find some YouTube videos. Most of them are based on 2.0. You might as well find some based on 2.1. We have an SAP Lumira community. It's interesting to check there. And we have Lumira connectivity metrics. So to see to which of the different sources you can connect how. It was written by a colleague. And in the end, if you want to influence products of SAP, you can check out our SAP Influence program. With this, we are at the end of our Overview and Architecture week. I'm looking forward to seeing you again in the second week, where we cover Agile visualization. We will work with a Discovery Client and Discovery documents on the BI platform. Feel free to prepare the setup of your Discovery Client in the beginning of week 2, so take your download. Good luck for your first weekly exam.